किस तरह के धोती पहन रहे, महाराष्ट्रन पहन रहे कि कर्नाटक पहन रहे। हम उनका धोती का स्टाइल नहीं जानना चाहता है देश। वो किस तरह की धोती पहन के आ रहे सांसद में, वो नहीं जानना चाहती है। देश जानना चाहती है कि वो और उनके मंत्रालय किस लिए, किस वजह से अनआर्म्ड प्रोटेस्टर्स बच्चे के ऊपर आपने पैलेट गन्स, लाठी और इंजरीज की। वेरी सिंपल। इन द Lok Sabha yesterday was another classic example of how the government just goes back on its word on everything. The reason that we agreed to discuss the bill in Parliament was twofold. One, that this was an amendment bill. The 2024 Act, had it been executed and implemented properly 2 years ago with the Radhakrishnan Committee, there would have been no need for this amendment. Still, this government brought in the amendment. We said we will support the amendment, but we also made it very clear to the government, to which the government agreed, that there has to be some jawabdahi, some accountability for the police brutalities which happened on the Chalo Sansad March on the 20th of July. The government agreed to it. However, when the LOP stood up to speak, when all of us stood up to speak and we touched on this topic, the chairpersons as well as the treasury benches, including senior ministers, disturbed us. So two pieces of information I want to give you very clearly. That who says that their government is saying Amit Shah is not responsible? Two questions. Amit Shah is in charge of Delhi police, yes or no, sir? Amit Shah is in charge of Delhi police. Amit Shah as Home Minister is in charge of CRPF RAF, yes or no? Yes, he is in charge. I have in front of me the two orders. One is the GD of the 1 o'clock in the morning at Parliament Street Police Station on the 22nd of July. What does the GD say? The GD says very clearly, GD number 0008A, which says on the night of 20th of July, Deputy Commandant RAF Satish Kumar Sangwan, 108 Battalion, came and informed that on DCP North Raja Bhatija's instructions, a total of 55 non-electrical shells, 15 electrical shells, 5 tear smoke granites, 2 rounds were fired from anti-riot pellet guns. Now this is a DCP ranked officer, North Raja Bhatija, reports to the Minister of Home Affairs. To who's in charge of this? Amit Shah. Who's responsible? Amit Shah. What else do we have? We have an order passed by the DCP Sachin Sharma, who is the highest ranking executive magistrate and Jantan Mantar, on 20th July at 5 o'clock. He issues the authorization to RAF to disperse demonstrators by using lathi gas and firearms. We have the orders in front of us. So how is Amit Shah saying he's not responsible? Is he not responsible for DCP North? Is Amit Shah not responsible for DCP Sachin Sharma? RAF's CRPF's own IG, first woman IG, she herself has said is in the review that there are serious deficiencies in the RAF behavior. 7 rounds were fired, 4 into the ground, 3 were fired into the cloud. We had 3 people with pellet injuries. One of them is Sahil Lochab. We also have a tribal girl from Jharkhand, Nutan Toppo, who has got a sign slip from the hospital. She has got a gunshot injury in her ear. This is not something that we are making up. This is something eyewitness accounts and hospital records and video footage. The good news is we did not depend on Godi media that day. Independent photographers, independent mobile people, independent videos are aware everywhere. No matter how much the government is trying to remove it, this exists. So Amit Shah either gave the direct order or through his chain, the orders were given from his ministry. There is no escaping that, Mr. Shah. By making the LOP keep quiet does not hide the truth. We want the Amit Shah in the house today. And he is coming here wearing fancy dhotis and the Godi media is asking him, instead of asking him, आपने गोली क्यों चलाई? They are asking him, आप किस तरह के धोती पहन रहे, महाराष्ट्रन पहन रहे कि कर्नाटक पहन रहे? हम उनका धोती का स्टाइल नहीं जानना चाहता है देश। वो किस तरह की धोती पहन के आ रहे सांसद में, वो नहीं जानना चाहती है। देश जानना चाहती है कि वो और उनके मंत्रालय किस लिए, किस वजह से अनआर्म्ड प्रोटेस्टर्स बच्चे के ऊपर आपने पैलेट गन्स, लाठी और इंजरीज